How to unmute notes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can unmute notes on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to unmute someone's notes on Instagram, it's actually quite simple. Let's say you opened up Instagram here, you went to the DMs tab in this case, and you saw many people's note. You got quite annoying of someone's note, and then you long pressed on it and then you mute their notes. But now after you mute their notes, you don't find the option to unmute those notes. Now first of all, you have to remember the name of the person whose note you actually muted. Otherwise you will not be able to find it easily. So you want to make sure to come to your profile icon from there. Now since you can actually see their notes and then you muted the notes, which means that you both have followed each other. So go to your follower or following list, anywhere, doesn't really matter, and simply search for the person of whose note you actually muted in this case. So once you go to the profile of the person whose note you muted, what you have to do is we have to unmute it from here. Now normally if you just tap the notifications icon, you can see it's not their note option, it's not there. If you tap the three dots option also, there is no notes option, so it's actually hidden. If you just look on this following tab over here, tap on this following tab, and now you don't want to unfollow them unless you really want to, by the way. And now you can just tap on the mute option, and here you can see notes is actually selected, which means that you had muted their notes earlier and now you want to unmute it. Just turn off this toggle and now you should be able to see their notes. So you just have to remember the person whose note you muted, and then after that you want to search for them and then unmute it manually. This way you can actually unmute notes on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.